Adhesions, man.
Oh, bastard.
Little bastards.
Oh, I've never loved pain so much till I came here. Now the shoulder,
Yes.
when I get up out of bed after sleeping on it, I can't move it. Right now it's about a 7, and it stays about a 7 all day.
Oh, yeah.
Look, everything's good except for this shoulder is pissed off.
Okay, in that same spot in here
And the top there.
and the top.
And the top, yeah.
Okay, which
Mainly
one's
in the-
worse? In here or the
Crap,
top?
mainly on the top. Yeah, mainly right there.
Okay, 0 to 10 here.
About a 10.
Okay.
I'm
Illustrate, let me
That's
measure.
crazy, I can barely hold it up. I
Sorry.
did not know that.
Just to do some extra testing
Mhm.
here. This arm,
Uh-huh.
does this at all make it worse?
About there, it's right there, and it's about 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's external rotation.
I knew you'd find it.
It's my job.
You're a magician, that shit.
So that neurovascular sleeve right here, it's about as thick as my finger.
Yeah,
And
and that's
just
what hurts.
very stuck in there.
Well,
So we're gonna treat.
we're gonna break that son again.
Go ahead. This one.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Get me in pain. Good job. Oh, I've never loved pain so much till I came here.
Go. This is the second intercostal brachial nerve. Right in the same area, just a little bit below it by an inch or so. Goes into the rib cage. And that's pulling and yanking.
Wow, that is amazing.
Go. Yeah, I'm just peeling off the adhesions off that sleeve.
Thank you. Oh,
Good.
yeah, now I can do it.
Percentage better.
80.
80%?
Yeah, I just feel a tiny bit now.
How about this one?
Wow, that's amazing.
External rotation 0 to 10.
Right about, no, it's getting back dark.
It's in the back now?
Yeah, it's in the back now.
So just
but
in the
it's-
labrum.
Yeah, just, I don't know, 20% back.
Okay. So I'm pulling the tissue in the front and he's feeling on the back, so it just suggests that the labrum is pinching in the back. So if we got an arthrogram, I'm very confident that's what it would find. Oh, much better.
Oh, I couldn't do that a minute ago.
One finger. What do you feel?
Not much, a little bit in that back part of the shoulder, but not really.
On the back part of the shoulder.
A little bit, let me do it again. I mean, it's actually just tight there now, not even painful.
Adhesions, man.
Oh, bastard.
Little bastards, those adhesions. This is suprascapular nerves, a little stuff right here. Straight down.
Oh, hell yeah.
Good. That nerve comes out of the neck, comes down this way, and goes this way. Anytime you have a nerve entrapment, it's gonna glue down the muscles and they're gonna be turned off.
That's what it is.
Because if you contract the muscle, it pulls on the nerve, and the brain just says, nope, we're not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
And check the capsule. Cover the ear, please. Arms out to the side and overhead, as close to your ears as you can go.
I can do it now.
Good. You feel any tightness back here?
Nope. Well, not really, no. This one's pretty normal.
No symptom. Good. C6 nerve root at anterior
shit,
scalene.
this is gonna hurt.
Moderate to severe.
Oh, you got it. That
Come on over.
motherfucker. Excuse me. I'm pretty verbal.
You're good. You're good.
I'm pretty verbal.
So this is just the nerve on the other side, on the bottom. And we're yanking the nerve, moving the arm While the neck stays stable. Good. External rotation edema. Range is better. You feel anything? No symptoms.
Yeah, I couldn't do that at all a minute ago. That is sweet. You don't realize how many things are nerve adhesions. You think it's something else. Man.
Most people don't even know what this is.
I know. No, I didn't know.